Good evening everybody, and once again welcome to the video. This video I'm gonna be teaching you how to use DataDog on AWS lambda functions. We're gonna leverage the use of serverless framework to essentially deploy a beautiful layers, and then anytime you log anything on the lambda, automatically everything is logged on on DataDog. Sorry. So let's see a small video and a demo with code. So hopefully you guys can see my screen. All right, so let's go to the code base. This is gonna be lab number 13. The source code is there in the description, so not to worry. So here you can see I have a folder called Lambda where my codes reside. So I have my YML file, my requirements.txt and handler.py, and my env file where my environment variable is saved. Don't worry, I'm gonna delete this key, so not to worry at all. Here, as you can see, everything is in a beautiful environment variable, right? Here I have my lambda function. So all it does essentially has two classes. You don't need to worry about the classes. All you gotta do is just say logger.logger.info. Just use the logger class that I have created. Automatically everything is logged on the DataDog. So now that's that. Now let's take a look at requirements.txt. This is my library. And finally my YML file shortly. So here I have the name. I'm using a .env, which means I want to inject the environment variables. These are the two plugin, serverless.plugin and my Python requirements. Here essentially I'm creating a AWS Layers, which is compatible with Python 3.6. Here I have my lambda function, and this is the handler, that is handler.handle. And then here is the reference to that layers. Let's see how it looks on the console. So as you can see, everything has been taken care properly. Things have been tagged, right? This is how it looks like. So if you go to configuration, you have memory, you have timeout for 10 seconds, you can increase that. But what you would also see that everything is very beautifully tagged as well, which is exactly what I like. Environment variables, right? Now it is easy right now. I can click on test. Every time I click on test, so if you wait here, shortly you will see those logs coming in from AWS Lambda. So now let's wait for a couple of seconds, and hopefully we should see these logs coming in. Remember, I am on a free tier account, so these are the logs in past 15 minutes. You can also go to Lifetail if you want to see logs, right? But I'll just switch to 15-minute, and here you can see I have these logs coming in from my lambda function. As you can see, status code 200 hello from lambda, right? So this is how you can use AWS layers, and a library called DataDog API client library. I think that's the name. Yeah, DataDog API client library. The entire source code is there in the description section below. This is going to be lab 13. So if you guys are wondering on how to use DataDog, this is the video that essentially has the code and the explanation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for people or companies who are already using DataDog, since now they can just take my template and use it in their essentially lambda function. Thank you so much, and I would see you guys in the upcoming next video.